we're giving to God.
So ndashima Imana kuri uyu mugoroba.
I want to thank the Lord this evening.
Kubera ko icyo yavuze mu bihe byatambutse.
Because what he said in the past time,
yarabikoze.
he did it.
Ni Imana ivuga igakora.
He's a God who speaks and does.
Ni Imana ishobora byose.
He's a God that is able to do all things.
Ndashima Imana yuko ikivuze iragikora.
I want to thank the Lord for whatever he says, he does it.
Kandi ikanagisohoreza mu gihe nyacyo.
And he completes it at a time that is right.
I'm
among the men or so many people that testify of the greatness of Jesus. It's not a week before after I've had my wedding. I'm wearing a ring for those who can see it. I was a man in my mind, but I wasn't strong yet.
So I want
to thank the Lord that I'm standing here as a strong man and a firm man. Even sometimes you find there's no way. But I want to encourage you that there is God.
So
that in the first weeks before my wedding, I was worried like any other person. I was watching on TVs the way they are closing down weddings because of the SOPs of COVID.
So
I was worried. I said, even me, if the Lord is not on my side, it will be hard for me. But I want to thank the Lord for he was with me.